Sometimes it pays to know boat people. So I had a bunch of cast iron big block Chevy heads and a couple intakes traded for 502. So I have a 502. Question is do we cannibalize the 496, which probably going to have to in order to get the rest of the parts that we need to put this together. And I have some aftermarket pistons for a 502 to really up the compression on it, or do we see what we can use out of the 496 to make a 540? At that point, then we got to buy pistons and maybe rods. I'm not 100% yet, but we have the stuff to make a high compression 502. So this is in the works. Gonna try and make something cool as soon as the boss wakes up from his nap. So stay tuned. Be pulling the motor out of that old girl here pretty quick. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one.